Welcome to Daily Magic, a cozy, growth-minded, sparkly corner of the world. Join me, Shaina Wexler, as we revel in and rediscover the abundant magic that fills our daily lives. So brew up some tea in your favorite mug, settle into your comfiest chair, and breathe deep as we create Daily Magic. Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome to your bonus Daily Magic episode. Today, I will lead you on a gentle journey, drawing from the 7 types of rest that we explored together in episode 12, The Magic of Rest. So find your way into a restful, relaxed position. Let go of all distraction. You are worthy of this time for yourself. Allow yourself to fully embrace this moment. When you're ready, gently close your eyes, and here we go. Here you sit in your car. With each mile away from the city that you drive, the more and more weight releases from your shoulders and being. Up ahead, not too far, you see it. Open, lush, rolling, peace-filled green. You pull your car off the road and park not far from a trailhead. You turn the key of the ignition, and the rumble of the engine ceases. All is still. You release a big, deep exhalation. You sit for just a few more moments, taking your first deep, deliberate breaths of the day. Big, full inhalation into the belly. Full and intentional exhale. Good. 2 more. Deep, intentional inhale, filling up all the way. Exhale, let it all go. 1 more large, mindful breath, and as you exhale, release all the tension of the day. You unbuckle, grab your knapsack from the passenger seat next to you and your phone off the dash, and open the door. You're immediately met by warm, fresh air. You pause, thinking better of your choice, and toss your phone back into the car. Immediately, you feel lighter. Closing the car door, you turn to embrace the rest that lies before you. Slowly, you begin your journey into the expanse of nature that surrounds you. No particular destination in mind. You are here to just be. Allow yourself to just be. Your pace is slow and deliberate. Each breath fills your nostrils with the scent of pine and wildflowers. Each pace draws your attention to the stones and intricate roots at your feet. All is peaceful. As you amble, the path draws you gradually into a wooded area. Statuesque trees overhang the path, creating a dancing, dappled light before you. Your heart begins to lighten as you imagine this scene could be taken directly from a magical fantasy movie. You feel a joyful surge as you realize that makes you the main character of this moment. You pause, drinking in the feeling of worthiness, of enoughness. This moment is yours. It is just for you. Everything around you seems quiet and still, but as you stand in that present moment of pause, you begin to tune into the lovely details of everything that is interacting with this moment in time. You begin to notice the butterflies flitting weightlessly from flower to flower. An adorable chipmunk scurries excitedly across the path a ways up ahead. A gentle breeze blows its way through the tops of the trees, causing each leaf to shimmer and sway, glittering above you as if in celebration. All is well. In this moment, you know that all is well. You feel that all is well. As you breathe in this frozen moment in time, you realize that you can also hear a low rumble. You strain to hear it more clearly. Delighted, you realize that there must be a river up ahead. Taking one more precious breath to soak up the scene around you, you utter a grateful thank you to the universe. Using only the sound as your guide, you begin to wind your way along the trail, following the invitation of the river. With each step, the sound morphs from a low rumble into a powerful rushing. And finally, as you make your way right to the river's edge, the sound grows into a full, exhilarating roar. Cold sprays leap up from the river and land with playfulness on your skin. You laugh lightly, moving even closer and taking a seat on a large, smooth rock on the bank. You untie your shoes, remove your socks, and press your bare feet into the earth. You breathe deeply. Filling up your lungs fully with energized air. Gratitude surges from the base of your feet, up your spine and through the crown of your head. With power, you begin to speak your thanks out loud. Thank you, universe, for this moment in time. Thank you, universe, that you love and care for me. Thank you that all is well. Thank you that I am well. Thank you for the butterflies that reflect your beauty. Thank you for the trees that reflect your wisdom. Thank you for the river that reflects your power. Thank you that I am worthy of these magical moments in your beautiful creation. Thank you, universe, that I am a part of your magical creation. Thank you, universe. Thank you. Invigorated and enlivened by this time of communion, you joyfully return your shoes to your feet. Stand. Thank the river for this time together, and with inner assurance, continue on. As you near the mouth of the forest, you find yourself face to face with a flowering tree growing directly in the center of the trail. It is striking. Something about it, its confidence to make itself known and to grow right in the middle of the path, speaks to you. The tree seems to beckon you. You feel a pull to connect with this ethereal being of nature. In a moment of self-consciousness, you glance around, checking quickly to see if anyone is watching. As you catch yourself doing this, you laugh out loud at your own bashfulness. With a smile on your lips and humor in your heart, you wrap your arms around this beautiful tree and allow your body to lean heavily against its trunk. You exhale heavily as you allow the tree to ground and hold you. You are safe. All is well. You rest your head onto the tree, and as you breathe, you can almost hear the pulsing of the life force as it courses through the tree's roots, trunk, and branches. It's as if the tree is humming a loving lullaby just for you. You close your eyes and once more utter a gratitude from the depths of yourself to the tree and to the universe around you. You part from the tree, taking a mental snapshot of this sacred space. As you continue on, the branches of the forest begin to open until you find yourself in a sun-filled, grassy clearing. Birds chirp happily from all around you. You know instantly what you want to do. Kicking off your shoes once more, you carry them under your arm as you feel the lush, thick grass under your feet and between your toes. You stop and survey around you, knowing you have found the perfect spot. You set your shoes and knapsack down and remove a silky, soft blanket from within it. You shake the blanket out a few times, watching it billow as the air catches it. You allow it to settle on the grass. You sit down upon it and reach into your bag once more. You bring forth a bottle of sparkling water. A light crackle of fizz sparkles as you remove the cap. Putting the bottle to your lips, you take a moment for a long sip. The water is crisp and refreshing. The cool bubbles dance on your tongue, and you smile in full contentment. You take a couple more quenching sips before sprawling out on your back. Time slows around you as you watch the clouds drift and transform as they glide their way across the sky. Blissfully surrendering to the moment, you allow your eyes to close. You marvel at the warm golden hue you see on the backs of your eyelids. Your body is heavy, restful, and warm. Sleep kindly calls you. You utter one more gratitude to the universe before allowing yourself to slide into a restful nap. You are safe. All is well. You are deserving of this rest. You are worthy of this rest. And you may stay here in this restful, peaceful, safe space as long as you wish.